Hello, I'm Craig Jahnke, part of the M365 Chicago Planning Committee, here for our upcoming event, January 14th, 2022. And with me, I have Edward Watson from Veeam, who is our gold sponsor for this event and been the gold sponsor for our partner for the last 3 years. Edward, do you want to tell us a little bit about who you are and what you do for Veeam?
Sure, yeah. I've been at Veeam as a product marketing manager for 5 years now. And like you mentioned, Craig, we've sponsored as the lead sponsor for three years in a row. And again, we're very, very excited. It's all about community. It's all about making connections and learning. And we're just very excited to be a part of all that good stuff.
Yeah, we really appreciate it. And it's great seeing you. I've seen you at a couple of, last seen you at M365 EduCon, so which was in DC not too long. So can you tell us what you're looking forward to this event?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're actually coming out with version 6 of Veeam Backup for Office 365, our Office 365 backup product. So we're really excited to share a lot of what's new. But for our session, we're actually doing a checklist. We're doing kind of a hybrid checklist / case study. We know we've left 2021 behind. We're looking forward to 2022. So we want to give you an Office 365 backup checklist as you're evaluating third-party backup vendors, and just give you some good advice on what to look for, and even augment your existing solution as well if you already have a solution in place. So we're looking forward to giving you that checklist and giving you a little bit of a case study on how Staples worked with Veeam to protect O365 data.
Nice. And once again, we thank you for being our gold partner on this event, and we look forward to seeing more and hearing more from you on January 14th, Friday, starting bright and early at 7 a.m. Central Time.
Likewise. Thanks, Jeff.